Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another episode of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is NATO at 75. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. NATO marked 75 years of collective defense across Europe and North America, with its top diplomats vowing on Thursday to stay the course in Ukraine as better armed Russian troops assert control on the battlefield. Now let's discuss what is NATO. The North Atlantic Treaty Organization, or NATO, is an intergovernmental military alliance formed in 1949. It was established with the primary goal of providing collective defense against potential aggression, particularly from the Soviet Union during the Cold War era. Over the years, NATO has evolved to address a range of security challenges beyond its original mandate. The original 12 founding members of NATO were Belgium, Canada, Denmark, France, Iceland, Italy, Luxembourg, the Netherlands, Norway, Portugal, the United Kingdom, and the United States. NATO has expanded since its founding, with new member countries joining in multiple rounds. The alliance currently consists of 32 member countries. Now moving on to structure of NATO. Political leadership. The North Atlantic Council serves as NATO's principal political decision-making body, composed of ambassadors from all member countries. Military command structure. NATO's military command structure includes strategic commands, example, Allied Command Operations, responsible for operational planning and execution, as well as regional commands and force headquarters. Integrated military forces. NATO maintains integrated military forces, allowing member countries to contribute personnel and assets to collective defense efforts under NATO command. Now let's discuss what are the objectives of NATO. NATO's essential and enduring purpose is to safeguard the freedom and security of all its members by political and military means. Political objectives. NATO promotes democratic values and enables members to consult and cooperate on defense and security-related issues to solve problems, build trust, and in the long run, prevent conflict. Military objectives. NATO is committed to the peaceful resolution of disputes. If diplomatic efforts fail, it has the military power to undertake crisis management operations. These are carried out under the Collective Defense Clause of NATO's founding treaty, Article 5 of the Washington Treaty, or under a United Nations mandate, alone or in cooperation with other countries and international organizations. NATO has only once invoked Article 5 on September 12, 2001, following the 9/11 attacks on the World Trade Center in the US. Now is the time for practice question. Which of the following countries are a part of NATO? 1. Bulgaria, 2. Estonia, 3. Latvia, 4. Poland. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1, 3 and 4 only, or 1, 2, 3 and 4. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.